The gang come with certain paranoia.
13, you ain't know that I been here in licks. Step on shit like a dumb man. You sliding that boot, put your car taking you it. Had that clear shot, but you blew it. What? These niggas be capping, these niggas be acting. I'm shipping that shit. Send my bitch to the stuff for some random, some plastic. Ayy, nigga through all of the internet whoops that I pull up in sections with static. 15 years old when I bought my first blow.
Yeah. Fat Boy here, back with another video, back with another mod video, a little mod. It ain't nothing too big. So I'm finna tint these reflector markers in the back of Storm. I got the alcohol, LUX Auto Concepts, sent the whole little kit. Shout out to them. It's not a sponsorship, so LUX Auto, if you watching this video, sponsor me. And I got some mods for the side markers today too. Stay tuned.
So right now he's applying alcohol spray on that. Applying alcohol, and then what else you gonna do?
You gotta wipe it, make sure it's all clean.
Make sure no dirt's on there so that
see how that
film can stick on there.
And then keep wiping, make sure it's real clean. And then I saw a trick in TJ's video, and go watch his videos when he did his. He wrapped it like this. He sprayed it again.
It's crazy because I ain't remember doing it.
And he went inside the cracks to get all the dirt out of there. And as you see, it's still dirt in there. So that's a little tip that I learned from, you know, famous guy TJ. So I just wipe.
Pretty simple.
Yeah.
It's pretty simple. He needs a label for you so he tell you which side it's supposed to go on. Yes, sir. Yes. I think they gave me two. They give you three. They give you extra. Yeah, they give you extra. Driver reflected. Okay, so we're gonna switch over to the driver because they gave me two drivers, so just in case I mess up. What? It is on. Okay. Where are we going now? We're gonna stay on this side, y'all.
So you line it up. Get you a little good eyeball. I go from corner down. Make sure it's right.
Yeah, there you go.
Put it over a little bit. Into the other corner. Like that.
That. Yep.
Squeeze it. Squeeze. Oh, God, dog. Tuck it in. 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 Uh-oh. I think I messed up. Uh-oh. Not then. Tuck it in. Right there on the side. Go down. Tuck. Uh-oh. Nah, I didn't mess up. Go down. Go down. Go down. Get the corners. Tuck. Yeah, tuck the corners.
They got a little print on their film, don't it? Does it say LUX on it?
It say, I think it say Mopar or something like that. You tuck it in.
All right, so this is the difference right here.
Yes,
That was smoked out, and this one's still red. Y'all let me know which one is.
Pretty easy, man. Pretty easy.
Just let us know which one looks better in the comments.
Pretty easy. Simple. Oh yeah, my car gonna be murdered out.
Tell him he got to do these tail lights.
Gotta get them tail lights. And y'all comment in the video, TJ video, because he's a famous guy.
Nah.
Get it done. Yes, sir. Man, so both of them are done. I mean, y'all see my last plate. Both of them are done. Hop up so famous guy can get his clip. Oh God. Yes, sir. You can't even tell from right here, but you see it. So yeah, basically we finna do these side markers like TJ. And oh yeah, so it's the LED strip. got them in the front all the way around. So we didn't have to, well, we found the easy way. Maybe my car just got like, I don't know, hose. So first of all, hold on, let me get my thoughts together. So we thought we had to take the wheel off and take this out, that liner, but you can obviously take it off right there and it popped right out. So easier way, but I think the front is a little different. I think we do in the front have to take them clips out. So I got it from idjmtoy.com, LED lights. But yeah, finna see what pop it in and see what it look like. It's already tinted and everything.
It came in. You just push it in. It'll go in.
All right, bet. So this is LED strip.
Yes, sir. So what I'm gonna do?
So I'll push this red clip in and put it right back in.
This clamp right here.
Once snap it right back in.
That was good. Look at this. Never put stuff on top of your car, guys, man.
That looks totally different. Looks way better. Don't mind the car. We're gonna get it washed up today.
I gotta get my car washed too. I ain't gonna lie.
These are the old ones. Anybody want some old side markers for Challenger? Nah, I'm gonna keep it because just in case I get a Challenger Hellcat, we doing the same mods. You know. So yeah, we have to get the air filter out. He's sticking his hand down in there to pop it out.
I'm trying to figure out
Hopefully.
where's that clip at. I'm touching it right now.
So we got this side out. We went from the air filter down. What TJ did, because my arms, you know, fat guy problems. We got it out. I'm finna pop it out and pop this one in. So it is a light for the front. There's a light for the back. Yeah, man, so that's really it. And then put this air filter back in and go to this car meet. All my satisfying plastic piece removers. I got y'all. Hold on, let these cars go by. I got y'all. Exactly. Yeah, so met up with the gang. Watch the cars. Finna end this video with the side markers. Looking good, looking good. But yeah, man, y'all go like, comment, share, subscribe. This everything on my channel. Share it. And we out.